Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this no audio preview on your nested sequence timeline because you have modified the audio track of the original multicam sequence. So to fix this is simply go to the sequence tab. So here in the sequence, just click it and click render audio, and then wait for it to finish, and after it finishes you're gonna see the audio previews, and there you have it. Now you have audio waveform previews. I hope this helps you, and subscribe for more videos like this.